Here we are at Vizcaya Prado waiting to see Dr. McKelvey for Doris drop-off for his surgery. He's very excited to be here, which is a good thing. He's not nervous. That's a good thing. Say that's a good thing. Come here, Simon. Say hi to everybody. Say hi to everybody. Theo. Theodore. Oh, so excited. So excited. So excited. Love you. We love you. We love you, buddy. Okay, good boy. Look at that beautiful doggy. Look at that beautiful doggy. And you're a good boy. You're a good boy. You just wag your tail. Good boy. What we got coming? Oh, kitty cat. Kitty cat. Kitty cat. Good boy. Good boy. Let's see that beautiful face.